hindi lang po sa modernized sector, pati po sa traditional, meron tayong various modes of assistance in the amortization, sa pagbili ng bagong units, kung meron man kailangan na i-refleet, no, masyado ng luma, yung assistance rin sa ating mga traditional jeepneys, no, yung mga rehabilitation, yung mga sobrang dilapidated na para mapaayos mo nila, yung mga gustong bumili ng sariling fuel tank nila para makabili sila ng bulk instead of retail. So, meron yan. Papalawakin din natin yung ating fuel subsidy program, yung 12 pesos per liter. No? So, meron silang mga gas stations na request kung pwede sumama sa programa. So, we will coordinate with the Department of Energy para masama itong mga gas stations.
There is a specific amount for the assistance to
Ang,
modernize and
ang binaba ng DOTR is around 1.5 billion pesos that will be brought down to the transport sector. Ito naman, this is just a interim solution. No? Hopefully, the price of fuel continues to drop so that the pressure will be less. No? But handa naman kung kailangan naman dagdagan, ayusin.
Government, sir, para magbigay ng subsidy.
Siguro, malamang next week yan.
the 1.5 million, how will it be how will it be divided?
Well, exactly. We're doing a count now between the number of units nationwide and the kind of assistance we'll be bringing down. No? How it will be divided per territory, per type of vehicle. Meron kasi UV Express, meron tayong jeepney, meron tayong bus. No? So lahat yan, we will try to spread it to the most of it, number of units as possible. Pero admittedly, pag ikaw ay hindi franchised, no? Bigyan tayo. In fact, there are some who said, kaya sila hindi nakakapag-avail ng fuel subsidy, 12 pesos, is because yung franchise nila, hindi pa nare-renew. No? So first things first is to, bakit hindi nare-renew? And try to address the problem behind that.